Let's talk about structural waterproofing and the British standards, BS8 102 2022, the British standard for waterproofing. There was a major update last year from the 2009 edition, moving on to 2022. As always with these changes, it can take a while to really filter out to the industry. Largely, people are now more familiar with the changes, whether it be the grade of environment or the importance of an early stage involvement from a specialist, or maybe understanding of podium deck requirements and the importance of different systems, different means of design. As a company, we feel the responsibility is on us to make sure the standards are understood by the industry. The fundamental element for a contractor is understanding the importance of early stage involvement. This is highlighted strongly through the British standard, saying that a specialist waterproofing designer, that may be an independent or indeed a manufacturer like ourselves, getting them involved early at typically a REBA stage 3 support, that will make sure that there's that cradle to grave level of support on waterproofing design. As Premcrete, we've looked to give this a real identity to the market. Prem360 is the identity we're rolling out to give clarity to the market as to what early stage involvement really means for you. We believe there's 4 clearly defined stages. There's the concept design, firstly. Secondly, there's the detail design. Thirdly, site delivery. And lastly, the ultimate delivery of the project. Those 4 stages highlight the importance of what our role as a manufacturer is for you as a client. Concept design, it just makes sense that the first thing that goes in on our project, being waterproofing, is involved at that early stage. It's excellent this development has come out into the market, clearly dictated in a British standard. It's our responsibility to advise clients, contractors on the key requirements and then the early design concept stages. It's our responsibility to then lead that design as compliant with BS8 102 2022, taking into account all those key changes, which we'll unpack in future videos, to then moving on to actually delivering on site, giving the client what they're expecting to see through a groundworker's installation or through a specialist contractor's installation on the job site. And finally, project delivery. This is where the client is getting what they understood they were going to get at the start, actually coming through to the end. That's our responsibility as the manufacturer, to live up to our detailed support on the concept design and make sure that's followed right through to the final project completion. That is giving a warranty that stands up